Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a Brookstone, beautiful Brookstone. If you're looking for a coach, something without any bunks, this might be the one for you. It is absolutely stunning. The colors, the amount of space that you have, it has that separation from living to kitchen area. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know. Let's go from there. We've got our Brookstone. It is a 2024 model 374RK. So it has a rear kitchen. You've got three slides on this side. And you've got a slide on this side with two long awnings and your backup camera prep as well. Let's take a look inside. All right when you walk in, look at this giant RV. I mean, it's stunning, but it's so spacious. It is absolutely beautiful. So right here is our living room area. You've got theater seating. You actually have theater seating here and here. You got a couch right there that turns into a bed. And then of course your entertainment with storage upon storage. You got your fireplace, but again, look how much room you have. Just so much room. More storage right there. And then you have your beautiful windows on this side and a table. Through here we've got our kitchen, and then right here it's a breakfast bar or a table, however you want to use it. I love that option. You've got so much space in this kitchen. It's like a full-size kitchen. It's absolutely beautiful. So you've got counter space over here. You've got your microwave and more storage above. Some drawers right over here. You've got this beautiful counter sink and then this beautiful window right in front of it. So if you're looking out, maybe you're washing dishes, unfortunately on vacation, or maybe you live in this, but you do get to look outside and see whatever it is that wherever you're sitting at, and it's absolutely, I love that idea. And then you've got storage right below. A little bit of storage on this island as well. You got a 3-burner, you got an oven, and then of course storage below and above. You've got a little pantry right over here. Nice and big. And you do have your residential fridge as well. So plenty of space in there to put your goods. Absolutely beautiful. I love the colors in this. You know, the darker colors mixed with the white. I love it. It's beautiful. Now, let's go up this hall. We've got our bathroom with a his and her sink. Plenty of storage here, above and below. And then, the toilet sits in a way that it's not too close to anything. You have plenty of room with a nice big shower. You can have a seat in there as well. And then you have more storage right to the side. Plenty of space in here. Love this bathroom. You got your master bedroom, which is giant. So a nice big bed, plenty of space to walk on both sides. You got a little dresser right here. You've got a nice big closet in the back. You've got 2 side tables on each side, or you got a side table on each side with windows right around that. You even got cup holders on your side tables, which I couldn't love that. You've got your washer and dryer prep right here. So, and then of course you could hang some more clothes if you wanted to. And then you can hang your entertainment right there. But what do you guys think of this unit? It is absolutely stunning. It is so pretty and it's so spacious. It is definitely just a beautiful unit. But you guys let me know, what do you think of this unit? Call, text, email, come see me. Let me know if you have any questions. But until next time, guys.